All right, welcome back, everybody. This is day number 4 of 3rd grade test prep crunch time. So we are going to start with our question up here. 6 rows of 20 chairs were set up for a play. How many total chairs were set up? So we have 6 rows and we have 20 chairs. So 6 times 2 is 12. Bring the 0. How many chairs total were set up? 120. Ooh, lunch just arrived. Excellent. All right, part B, 10 benches that each sat 10 people were also set up. Well, 10 benches with 10 on each is going to be 100. 10 times 10 is 100. What is the total number of seats? Well, that's the 100 plus our chairs, so that should be 220. This would be chairs if we didn't add chairs up top. Oh, wiggly pencil. And what's the total number of seats? 220 seats. All right, let's go over to this one. What are the fractional parts of the figure below? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4th, 5th, 6th, or 7th. I'm going to say 7th on that one. All right, let's come on down here. A rectangular room is shown below. Which statement is false? So which one is not correct? So the area is 30 feet squared. Well, 3 feet by 10 feet. 10 times 3 is 30. This is correct. The perimeter is 30 feet. Well, that's 10. It's a rectangle, so we know this line is the same as that one. This line segment is the same as this line segment. 10 plus 10 is 20. 3 plus 3 is 6. 20 plus 6 is 26. Uh-oh! The perimeter is not 30 feet. That is false. But we did. Hey, 26, that was what we just answered there. And the area is equal to 3 times 10, which we did say already. So B is correct. Notice we got to kind of check out each answer just to make sure, though. How many right angles does the following polygon have? I know the other day we asked interior angles. So our interior angles, we would have 4 of those. But a right angle is kind of what we find here on rectangles and squares. The right angle is that perfect 90-degree angle where you're going straight up and straight over, or you can tilt it to the side, and it's still going to be straight and straight. So it's 90 degrees if you use a compass. So how many right angles does the following polygon have? So when I was working on this with another student, we put another piece of paper, and we basically kind of went like that. And we made sure it was level. And if our line came here, that would be a perfect 90-degree angle. And we did the same on this one. And we also did these two over here as well. Not the straightest line, but we're making do here, right? And coming way over here to this one as well. We're just going to draw that up there. So we can see that none of these are that perfect square because it still has this little bit right here. This is not the perfect square because it has this right there, so that's a no. That's a no. This would be the perfect square, so that's extra right here, so that's a no, and that's a no. All right, last problem. George has 24 party favors he wants to give equally to the 8 friends that are at his birthday party. How many party favors will George give to each of his friends? Okay, so George has 24 party favors. So he has 24, and he wants to give those 24 equally to 8 friends. So 24, let's see, would it be minus 8? Would that give us the right answer? 20? No, because that wouldn't give us an equal number. 20. How about 24 divided by 8? Because then we could get the correct number there. 24 divided by 8 is 3 or 4? I can't remember. 3. Yes, 24 divided by 8 is 3. So How many party favors will George give to each of his friends? 3 party favors. Draw a picture below to support your answer. So, let's use his 8 friends. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Each circle equals 1 friend. Okay, a circle equals 1 friend. Now we have 24 party favors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. I gotta stop because if you remember, we had 24 party favors. So that's also, let's see, 1, 2, 3 in each circle. There are 0 left over. So again, George gives 3 party favors. All right, hope you all did well on that. Tomorrow is day 5 of our crunch time. Continue doing a great job. Again, if you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask. Email me or put it on Google Classroom, and we will get those problems answered. Thank you much, boys and girls.